What's going on, everybody? I got a quick video for you. If you have one of these Kohler toilets or a toilet that's all in one piece, like this one, it's all one piece. There's a gasket in the bottom if your toilet's running that you can change out. I'll go ahead and turn the water off. I'll flush it. You can see there's a yellow gasket down there. In order to change that, even though this piece comes up, you twist this part half a turn, and it's going to sound like it's going to break, but it's actually, that's a normal sound. And then that piece comes off. This gasket comes off. You can change it. And here is what I got. It's a set of 5. There's the number. So that's that part. Put that back in there. Twist it. It's gonna make a noise again where it's going to crack, but it's not actually going to break. Put that back in there. So I actually have one that's broken, but I'll show you. So here's the top part that broke off. Here's the bottom part that's in the bottom of the tank, which is down there. So if you lift this up, you can see the bottom. And if we twist it, you can see that this little ridge part looks almost like a T, fits into that. So that's what locks it in place. Like that. And from this side, you can see it in there. This part is under your toilet tank. This is on the bottom part where it bolts up. So if you need to change the gasket, just turn it, hear it click, and pull the whole piece out. So hopefully that helps somebody. If you have any questions, you can find these on Amazon. That's where I get them from. So hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, just let me know.